This is the Modbus Pro software. Click Connect. The factory default IP address of our gateway is shown here. The Modbus TCP port number is 502. This document is our Modbus TCP register address table, which includes detailed explanation of the register addresses and functions code usage. Now we click Connect. After connecting successfully, we create a new device. For device 1, we add an 8-channel 16-ampere relay switch module. The register address starts from 0. And the total number of circuits is 8. The register address table also provides detailed descriptions of the address mapping and function codes. After confirming, we can directly control the on-off status of each circuit here. We are currently using function code 05. We can also use function code 15. Select function code 15 here. For example, we set all 8 circuits to on. All circuits are now on, and the feedback data is returned. Next, we set all circuits to off. Now we create another device. Device ID 2 is our 8-channel I/O module. Its register address also starts from 0, with 8 channels in total. The register address table also provides detailed information for the 8-channel I/O module. All 8 ports of the I/O module are passive input ports. When the port is shorted, it will trigger a scene. When I short circuit 1, it triggers scene 1. When I release it, it triggers scene 2. When I short circuit 2, it triggers scene 3. When I release it, it triggers scene 4. Next is the scene control. Slave ID 240 is used for scene control registers. We currently have 4 scenes, starting from scene 1. To trigger scene 1, we simply write the value 1. Scene 1, all on. Write value 2 to activate scene 2. Write value 3 to activate scene 3. Write value 4 to activate scene 4. This is how scene control works. All registers details are explained in the address table provided.